Hi there, today we're exploring the ESLITE LIFE 12-piece nonstick cookware set featuring eco-friendly ceramic coating that is 100% PFOA free and SGS approved for safer cooking. This set includes versatile pots and pans such as saucepans, frying pans, a stock pot, and a sauté pan, all designed with heat-resistant Bakelite handles for a comfortable grip. The cookware is compatible with all stovetops including gas, electric, ceramic, and induction thanks to its magnetized base that ensures rapid and even heat distribution. Made with advanced die-cast aluminum technology, these pieces combine the benefits of cast iron durability with quick, efficient heating to save you time and energy. Cleaning is super easy since the ceramic coating requires minimal oil and scrubbing, promoting a healthier cooking experience. Plus, the sturdy design and thick induction-compatible bottom provide stable heat for consistent cooking results every time. ESLITE LIFE cookware undergoes strict inspections to guarantee quality and performance, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen essentials. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.